Bottrop is a city in the German state North Rhine-Westphalia, located in the versatile Ruhr area, where once coal and steel were mined for years. At that time, the scenery of the region was characterized by high chimneys, dirty dust and smoke. But that has long been a thing of the past. Now, a huge network of companies, universities and initiatives support our mission to transform towards a circular state. Combining industrial change, a highly motivated society with strong businesses and circular thinking makes our region the perfect region for a circular economy, driving innovation and sustainable economic growth in North Rhine-Westphalia and the Ruhr area. Today, we invite you to get to know exciting and good examples from the field of mechanical engineering. We will show you 2 good practical examples from North Rhine-Westphalia. The company M&F Keck Technik from Bottrop produces and sells long-living cleaning and filling systems for Keck, which you all know from the brewing and beverage industry. Furthermore, Glass GmbH, located in Paderborn, produces machines for the food industry. Be curious about these and other companies that keeps machines in circulation for a long time and make their business model circular.
Our company is producing Keck cleaning and filling machines. A Keck is a returnable system in stainless steel and it composed in 20, 30 or 50 liter. Normally we are working in beverage industry, in the beer industry. My strong belief is that at our size of a medium-sized private-owned business, we are having the sustainability in our DNA. It's natural. So for us, we think and we act in decades. We don't look at the next quarter. That's no use for us. We look into the next 10 or 20 years. Due to the pandemic situation, we found out that a lot of disinfectant is needed around the world, and we were seeing all around in supermarket shops that there is a lot of plastic garbage going on. So in order to avoid plastic, we came to the idea to use a returnable stainless steel system for hand disinfection, for professional, high-quality hand disinfection. And the advantage is it's returnable, so we can, on our machine, clean the keg from inside, from outside, refill it in safe conditions and safely replace empty kegs in the market to prevent tons and millions of tons of plastic going to the garbage bin.
Atop Lighting International has been playing for more than 70 years a leading role in the lighting industry. You will find our general and emergency lighting solutions in different applications, offices and schools, but also in healthcare facilities and industry applications. Atop is always looking for developing solutions with the lowest possible ecological footprint. Our products are very energy efficient. They allow our customers to reduce their energy bill with 80% and by that reduce their carbon footprint. But all our products are also very durable. They have a long service lifetime. This means that they will not have to be replaced that often, and we can reduce the impact on the usage of raw material. A very important first step towards a more sustainable, circular society. But we can do more, such as refurbishing the old lighting installations of our customer. We take away the old and defective components and replace them with a new light module. With our circular light as a service, we also offer this as a service to our customers. For a fixed monthly fee, they can enjoy our lighting hassle-free. With our strong R&D team, but also thanks to the craftsmanship of our colleagues on the shop floor, we can deliver our customers European top quality.
The circular economy is stuck in the future. Everybody wants it, governments, companies, has great benefits environmentally and even financially, but defining a credible pathway from where we are now towards a circular future proves to be quite difficult. The pathway that we are now working on is using a dating site for secondary materials and waste to bring us that circular economy. We use a combination of AI tools and blockchain technology to match supply and demand and to match materials with their highest value next uses. We've had a number of successes in the 4 years that we've been around. We're based in Amsterdam. We have run a pilot successfully 2 years ago with a number of big organizations like Philips, DSM, Schiphol, Target and Sodexo and a couple of others. And next to that, we're now running 2 main business models. One is a internal circular marketplace where companies can exchange materials internally, but also we have a matchmaking service, and it's going quite well. We're seeing a lot of interest from the construction and infrastructure industry, from textiles and from plastics. And where we see us working the best, I would say, is in the construction and infrastructure industry.
We make mainly mixers for food products, for food productions worldwide. We build stainless steel machines now since 50 years, and all these stainless steel machines are just made out of one material. It's stainless. So we can recycle it and reuse it. We supply spares for the lifetime of the machine. As we manufacture everything here in Paderborn, our machines are made for easy maintenance to keep them alive for as long as possible. Sometimes you do circular economy since years, in our case since 50 years. You just have to think what you are doing, and maybe you find things where you are already doing it, and then you can go into detail and make this better. If you are using materials, try to keep the materials simple and the connections simple, and try to make solid and long-lasting machines. Small ideas is what everybody can do. For example, we are sending out all our spare parts without any plastic. That's possible, without any big amount of extra money. It's just doing it.
Would you like to see the regions change to a green economy in real life and learn about other good examples of circular economy? Then we invite you to the Circular Hotspot in Bottrop in September 2022 and look forward to welcome you to show you our fascinating transformation. See you in Bottrop.